Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. You guys know what time it is. We're going to be talking about none other than our good old friend Caspa. If you enjoyed these Caspa updates, smash that like button if you have not done so already. But let's get right in today's topic. So, looking across the board, we are seeing market picking up traction going into Thursday morning. And yes, before you guys start typing out the comment, Crypto ZX, what's happening with Caspa? Caspa's down. What are you talking about? Of course, if you're looking across the board, we are seeing pretty much half of the market at the same time, still seeing a little bit of a minor pullback. But once again, Caspa find its way in the red basket, down 3.4% yet again. And I know the frustration within the Caspa community recently, but what a lot of people just completely ignore, and you guys know on this channel, I keep it 100% straight up to you guys, and obviously this is what a lot of my viewers appreciate. What a lot of people just completely forget, especially when I say people, are the people that actually held Caspa during its upside. And at that time, there were a lot of coins that just did not perform. But remember, there could come a time where you see other coins that did not move in the time Caspa was moving. And that's a time that we're currently living in right now, which again, a lot of people are not, within the Caspa community okay with. So this is why diversification is key. And I've literally emphasized diversification. And if you are new to cryptocurrency, or if you've been in the markets for quite some time and you only have one single coin in your portfolio, you are doing something completely wrong. You're leaving multiple gains, potential gains that you could potentially be making in times like this off the table. So we got to look at it from that point of view, and I'm going to keep reminding that to you guys. But let's take a look at what's happening with Caspa's price right now. But before I do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. So price of Caspa, 12.84 cents, as mentioned, down 3.5% in USD and about 3.9% in Bitcoin comparative. Market cap is at about $3.2 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is only 29 million. It's pretty much nowhere to be seen, and this is, a conversation starter within the crypto community. Forget about Caspa community. A lot of people that obviously want to look into different projects, and whenever anyone looks into Caspa, people have good things to say about Caspa. They think the potential is there, but at the end of the day, risk factor is definitely there too. And one of the major risk factors for Caspa is the trading volume, and that is due to the fact that there are big centralized exchanges that are still missing. So now that we have that out of the way, let's take a look at what is happening with the price of Caspa. So Bitcoin dominance at 58.7%. Saw a little bit of a pullback within the dominance index after hitting a new yearly high, which is causing the Bitcoin dominance seeing a little bit of retracement is giving some of these coins a chance to actually move towards the upside. Bitcoin, on the other hand, has seen also a little bit of a minor pullback after hitting a new yearly not new yearly high, new monthly high. Bitcoin actually went up to $68,500, and since then has seen a little bit of a minor pullback. Totally okay. Absolutely okay after seeing a significant 16% move for Bitcoin. It is only normal for the price of Bitcoin to see a little bit of a minor pullback, which is absolutely amazing to see. But Bitcoin is definitely showing a lot of strength, and I stated this in one of my other updates. I think it was the SUI update. If Bitcoin is able to close around that $69,000 to $70,000 this Friday, I think we could see an all-time high in the next week. I would not be surprised at all. So let's see what happens. Of course, that's my own personal opinion, but let's see what happens. But now, if you're focusing on Cas, it just seems like, we're talking about such positive things happening with Caspa is not doing what a lot of people want Caspa to be doing. And what I mean by that is these types of moves, these massive moves that Caspa has seen. So pretty much now, guys, last time the price of Caspa was actually above, within the 38.2 fib zone was August 4th. And it's been over 2 months since that was the case. And right now we're retesting some levels we haven't seen for quite some time. And you could see we did retest that key resistance. We spoke about that. We went above there, never managed to close above there. And, we have seen a little bit of a pullback once again for the price of Cas, making its way back down to some of these levels that we haven't seen since the first week of October. So obviously there's no secret at this point when you're reading the chart of Caspa. There's absolutely zero secret that, or there's no denying that, there is a major lag within the price of Cas. So you as Caspa holders, what we want to see is, number one, of course, the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level, but forget about the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. Let's first focus on actually maintaining the price above the key resistance of 13.5 cents. I've spoken about the fact that, the last thing you want to see happen, and yes, I'm going to say this, the last thing you want to see Bitcoin do is see a complete fake out. If Bitcoin sees a fake out, Caspa could invalidate this entire upwards channel, this upwards, trajectory that, pretty much the price of Caspa has been. This will all be invalidated, and some can argue it got invalidated here, but I still, on the daily time frame on the daily time frame, I still think, we're still in this upwards trajectory right now. So those are some things that we need to consider right now. Obviously, the price is showing extreme weakness, so pay very close attention to Bitcoin. You don't want to see dominance picking up. If dominance picks up, that could have even more negative impact on the price of Caspa, considering Bitcoin pushes up higher as well. So I'm going to keep you guys updated. Of course, let me know down below what you guys think. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.